How you doing, everybody? This is Eric Truxton with Just It's Electric, and we're back. This week we're talking about outdoor lighting and security cameras. For outdoor lighting, we always install LED lighting. LED lighting is bright, LED light is cost efficient, and LED lighting is the way to go. My suggestion is always to get a professional. Only way you might consider installing yourself if you're replacing something that's already there. But even so, I would not recommend that because it's just better to put it a certain way. So for instance, we are high on something called a prism light, which sits on the side of a house and it extends out, I guess on an angle, triangle, depending on how high you put it and depending on whatever, you can kind of dictate where it goes, but a homeowner would not know how to do that. You would need a professional to do that. We do installs of security systems, power as well, not just the outdoor lighting. So in that, we install, I guess, those Ring doorbells and some of your other security system lighting, and it's pretty simple for us. I would not recommend the homeowner does that. And what happens is, definitely after we're done, we'll walk you through programming it to your phone, and preferably everyone in your house is there who's going to have access to it when we do help you program it, so you only have to do it one time. And remember, if you want security systems, outdoor security systems, as well as the lighting, either or, and you need someone to install it, here we are right here, Just It's Electric. For more video content, subscribe below. See you next week for more.